quick, everyone. We need to finish the runway before the whale plane gets here.
This way, whale plane!
She's using her magic horn to guide the whale plane to the runway.
Follow me! The whale plane is landing! Get off the runway!
One more nail.
Please finish hammering. Pretty, please.
Finished. Oh!
Ah! Whoa!
It worked! The whale plane has landed!
Animal Mechanicals, mission accomplished.
Yay!